Hello students, today we are gonna study indefinite integration. So first of all, what is integration? So integration is reverse of differentiation or primitive of the function. So what does that mean is, like if we have the differentiation of, we know that d by dx of sin x, that is cos x, or we can say the differentiation of sin x, that is cos x. So I can also say from here the integration, which is reverse of differentiation, that is integration of cos x integrand dx. We call this the integral sign and this is integrand dx. So that will be equal to sin x and plus constant of integration c. We are studying indefinite integration, so in indefinite integration we write the constant of integration. So c is the constant of integration. So we can write integral cos x dx, that is sin x plus constant. In the same way, I also know the differentiation of dy dx of e to the power x. So that is e to the power x. So from here I can also say the integration of e to the power x. So integral e to the power x integrand dx. So that will be e to the power x plus constant of integration c. Now we have to find the antiderivative or integral of the following function by the method of inspection. Now we know that differentiation of, that is d by dx of cos ax, so that is equal to minus a times sin ax. Now I can also write that is d by dx of minus cos ax, so that will be equal to a times sin ax. Now I can also write d by dx, which is differentiation of minus 1 by a cos ax, so that will be equal to sin ax. Now if I put a equals 2, so I will get d by dx of minus 1 upon 2 times cos 2x, so that will be equal to sin 2x. Now what I can say is the differentiation of minus 1 upon 2 times cos 2x, that is sin 2x. So the integration I, which is equal to integration of sin 2x integrand dx. So I can also write I, that will be equal to, our final answer will be minus cos 2x upon 2 plus some constant. So this is our final answer. Thank you. Now we have the second question as integration of cos 3x integrand dx. So I can write, what we know is, we know that the differentiation of, which is d by dx of sin ax, that is equal to a times cos ax. So I can also write d by dx of sin ax upon a, so that will be equal to cos ax. Now if I put a equals 3, so I will get, now putting a equals 3, so I will get d by dx, which is a differentiation of sin 3x upon 3, so that will be equal to cos 3x. Now what I can see is differentiation of sin 3x upon 3, that is cos 3x. So I can say integral I, that is integration of cos 3x integrand dx. So that will be equal to, I can say our final answer I, that will be equal to sin 3x upon 3 plus some constant of integration c. This is our final answer. Now we have to find integration of e to the power 2x. So now what we know is differentiation of, that is, d by dx of e to the power ax. So that is equal to a times e to the power ax. So from here I can also write d by dx of 1 upon a times e to the power ax. So that will be equal to e to the power ax. Now putting a equals to, I will get d by dx of e to the power 2x upon 2, that will be equal to e to the power 2x. Now I can also say the differentiation of e to the power 2x upon 2, that is e to the power 2x. So I can write I, which is equal to integral e to the power 2x integrand dx. So I can also write our final answer I, that will be equal to e to the power 2x upon 2 plus constant of integration c. Now we have to find integration of ax plus b entire square. To solve that, I can also write I, that is equal to integral, we can see it's ax plus b entire square. So I can write ax square plus b square plus 2 times ax into b. So I can write a square x square plus b square plus 2 times ax into b. Now I can also write I, that is equal to integration of a square x square plus integration of b square plus integration of 2ax into b. We also know we can take the constant out of integration. So a square, that will be a constant term, so we can take it out of integration. Here b square, that is also a constant term, and here 2 into a into b, that is a constant term, so we can take all those constant out of integration. So I can write I, that is equal to a square integration x square plus b square integration 1 plus 2ab integration x dx. Now we know the differentiation of, that is, d by dx of x to the power n. So that is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. So from here I can also write differentiation. So that is d by dx of x to the power n upon n. So that will be equal to x to the power n minus 1. Now if we put n equals 3, so if we put n equals 3, so I will get, putting n equals 3, I can write d by dx, that is differentiation of, we will get x cube upon 3. So that will be equal to x to the power 3 minus 1. So that is x to the power 2. For n equals 2, I will get d by dx, which is differentiation of x square upon 2. So that will be equal to x. And for n equals 1, I will get d by dx of x upon 1. So that will be equal to, I will get x to the power 1 minus 1. So that will be equal to x to the power 0. And that is also equal to 1. What we can see, the integration of x square, so that will be equal to x cube by 3, and the integration of 1, so that will be x by 1, and the integration of x, so that will be x square by 2. So we can write I, that is equal to a square into x cube upon 3 plus b square into x upon 1, so that is x plus 2ab into x square upon 2. plus some constant of integration c. So from here I can also write I that is equal to integration of ax plus b whole square. So that will be equal to a square x cube by 3 plus b square into x plus ab into x square plus constant of integration c. Now the next one, we have to find the integration of sine 2x minus 4 times e to the power 3x. So I can also write I that is equal to integration of sine 2x minus integration of 4 times e to the power 3x. We know that we can take the constant out of integration, so I can also write I that will be equal to integration of sine 2x minus 4 times integration of e to the power 3x. We can write differentiation of, that is d by dx of cos ax, so that is equal to minus times sin ax into a. Now I can also write d by dx of cos ax upon minus a, so that will be equal to sin ax. If you put a equals 2, so if I put a equals 2, I can also write d by dx, that is differentiation of cos 2x upon minus 2, so that will be equal to sin 2x. So we can write integration of sin 2x, so that will be minus cos 2x upon minus 2. Now for e to the power 3x, we know that differentiation of d by dx of e to the power ax, so that is equal to a times e to the power ax. So from here I can also write differentiation of e to the power ax upon a, so that will be equal to e to the power ax. If we put a equals 3, so I will get differentiation of, that is d by dx of e to the power 3x upon 3, so that will be equal to e to the power 3x. So I can also write the integration of e to the power 3x, that is e to the power 3x upon 3. Now I can write I that is equal to integration of sin 2x minus integration of 4 times e to the power 3x. So I can write I that will be equal to integration of sin 2x, so that is minus cos 2x by 2. So I can write minus cos 2x upon 2 and minus 4 times integration of e to the power 3x, so that is e to the power 3x upon 3. So I will write e to the power 3x upon 3 plus some constant of integration.